Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to a day trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. I've just read Ali Isles' comment. I have to buy one Rio for every minute I'm late. Well, I took you up on that, so I'll show you that in a second. It only seems right. So, Ali Isles, you started off a show this morning in a positive light. I will share with you. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live every morning for the opening and closing bell. Everything you see here is real and genuine. You've just got that impression straight away. Everything here is my real money, all my real money. If it goes to zero, I lose all my money. If it goes $1 million, I got $1 million. It's real, and we're joined every day by traders around the world. I only have a couple of $1,000s in the bank at the side. So everything is here, real, and if it goes to zero, it goes to zero. If it goes to $1 million, I've got $1 million, right? And every day people call in and share their positions with us and share what they're doing. It's absolutely wonderful family we have around the world. And one of our members has just said to me, Ali Isles, he just said to me, every minute I'm late, because I was 2 minutes late this morning, I have to buy some Rio Tinto. All right, okay, I get your point. Okay, so shall we have a look? How many Rio Tinto have you got? How many Rio Tinto have you got, Ali Isles? Let's get straight into the trade, see where we are. If you've just tuned in, subscribe or ring the bell, let us know, give us a thumbs up. Let's have a quick look. Hi everyone, Stephen Lewandowski. Mike's twitching, Theodore always twitching. 42. You've got 42. Well, he said, every minute I'm late, I've got to buy one. And we had this little ongoing battle, who's got the most Rio Tinto. And Ali Isles, as you can see on the screen right now, has 42 Rio Tintos. So if I have 43, there's going to be hell up in the camp. How many have I got? How many have I got, Ali Isles? How many's that? What number's that on the screen? You said every minute I was late, I had to buy a Rio Tinto. Got 46. I was 3 minutes late. Happy with that? Happy with that? That's the way to drive the stocks up. I mean, that's called stock market manipulation right there. You want to drive the stocks up? That's how we drive the stocks up. Pretty impressive, right? All right, brilliant stuff. There you go. So yes, indeed. Right, the overall portfolio this morning, if we have a look at it, is as you can see a little bit down, 0.57 this morning. We had a nice little pop. Drop back down again. I didn't do anything other than buy some more Rio Tinto. There you go. What can I say? Anyway, let's get back to it. Let's go through all our stocks. We got 20 minutes for the hour. We've got day trader of the day competition. We got our cash prize giveaway in the morning. We're giving away a cash prize giveaway in the morning. So I wonder if I can fix this for my audience over there on TikTok. Let me see. See if I can take the color down a little bit. Can I do that? Picture. Right. Picture. Let me see if I can. Brightness, contrast, sharpness, color. All right. Let's see if it takes some of the color out, so you get a slightly better experience. Let's have a look. Is that any better? Has that made it a bit more natural? What do you think? Is that better? There we go. YouTube. Trying to make it better for you. There you go. How about that? Is that any better? I struggle so hard to make it better for my guys on TikTok because it streams on a phone. So anyway, I think that's a bit better for you. Anyway, getting back to my YouTubers. Quick cup of tea this morning. Ali Al said, I'm fuming. He says he's fuming. I bought more than him. I can't afford anymore. Right, you know what you need to do, Ali Isles? You need to get out to work, earn some money, right? Get off your ass and do something, right? and buy some more Rio Tinto. You can't be behind me. All right, but it is my show. Technically, I should be the king. You know what I mean? I mean, technically, I should be, really, shouldn't I? Next extra, next extra energy is down 0.44. Rio Tinto is up 1.29. So I bought the dips. Rio Tinto. We discussed this yesterday on the show, saying, "Do you think it's possible?" It's not a race. Yes, it is. What do you mean it's not a race, Bill? Of course it's a bloody race. Me and Ali, it's a race. Absolutely a race. We're in a race here. Ain't we, Ali? You tell him. S&P going down today, 0.21. Overall, I'm down 0.21. Oh, look at that. That's unusual. Look at that. You never see that. 0.21 in the pre-market. And I'm down 0.21 overall. Never seen that before. I got 40 Rio. Well, you can get back in your box as well, because I got 46. That makes me the king of YouTube now. No question about it. No one in the world has more shares than Martyn Lucas. It's a known fact now. Thanks for all the follows over there on TikTok. If you want to join, we've got the cash prize giveaway tomorrow on YouTube. Come and join me. Links in the profile right here, right on the homepage, or you can come on the all links button if you come out of the live show. Easy. It's 100% a race. See, right, Virgin Galactic. I'm up on Virgin Galactic, even though we're down 1% today. Rio King title handed over to Martyn. There it is. It's handed over. Thank you very much, Ali. And I'm keeping it. Tesla down 0.35. Rivian down 0.69. Lucid down. I doubled up my position the other day. I'm not doing any more. Polestar, I just stopped buying Polestar. I'm afraid. It just keeps on going down. Arrival, I'm glad to see it's holding above $1, but it most certainly is barcoding. We can see that. It's doing that all the time. Anyway, that is a concern that they're running out of money. Amazon is down 0.49. Apple today. What do you think of the new iPhone? Same as always, right? No real difference. Bit better camera. Do you realise for like $500 you could buy a camera 1,000 times better than the iPhone? I'm just saying. I mean, why buy a new camera every year just because the camera gets a bit better? You could buy an amazing camera that is 1,000 times better than the iPhone will ever be, and just stick with that. I don't see. I mean, I love iPhone. I'm a shareholder of Apple. Maybe I shouldn't say this, but I tell the truth, right? At the end of the day, I haven't bought a phone since the 10. I used to buy. I bought the 6. I bought the 5, 5S, 6, 6S, 7, 8, 10, 10S Max. I bought all those, and then I stopped. Now I haven't bought 11. I haven't bought a 12. I haven't bought a 13. I haven't bought a 14. It's over. I mean, I always buy the biggest and the best one I can at the time. I think it's the most viable proposition to resell at the end of it. It makes most sense to me. But at the end of the day, my phone still works, doesn't do anything. The new phone doesn't do anything better. What's the point? Can anyone give me a reason? Rio King. Right. Going through the stocks, Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson. Up today, 0.02. I'm still down 2.46. I keep buying the dips on J&J. Still yet not in the black. But I think I had a dividend yesterday pay into it. Yes, I got a dividend yesterday. So the balance went up. I got, if you get a dividend payout, here's my dividend payout. It's my best one so far. There you go, 0.11 of a share, $18. It went in at 162, which is below my average, which is good. So actually, it's a good time to get it. And now next time I'll get slightly more. Just leave it. Eventually, I'll be up. Eventually, I'll be up on this one. Anyway, Google down today, 0.94. Microsoft is flat today. Meta Platforms 0.78. SoFi. So what do you think of the new iPhone? Anybody got any feelings on it? IonQ. IonQ rallied yesterday. I doubled my position. It was at least Amazon's second biggest investment. IonQ. I also found out that Bill Gates has invested in IonQ for quantum computers. And a lot of shorters yesterday tried to bring it down, saying that the whole thing's a scam, which was unbelievable. So it presented an opportunity for me to double my position. It's all right, says Caden. It's all right. It's not spectacular then, is it? It's not amazing. The new colour is cool. I mean, would you spend $1,000 just to get a different colour? I mean, you could just get an iPhone case for like a case for $5. Red or green today? Let's have a poll. Mr. Clockwork, hang on a minute. Are you a member? Are you a member? If you're not a member, you can't come on here and say, I want a poll. But as it happens, you are a member. Darn it. Mr. Clocky says, Mr. Clocky wants to know, green or red day? And if a member wants a poll or a member wants a video made on a stock or a review, you get it. So, red or green? Green. I think I know which colour I'm going for, but I'm not going to say nothing. I will do TikTok poll. Okay, Ali Isles, because are you something over there on TikTok? Are you a member? Have you got a Luca badge? Are you important? Are you recognised? Are you a somebody, or are you just a mere guest travelling through? Ask the community. There you go. Did you see my message on Discord? Let me have a look. Discord, a private message. Let's have a look. Is it a message? Caden Youngquist, let's have a look. Hey Martin, here is my new latest ad. Can you use this picture? Oh, I see. This is what you wanted. Yes, very nice. I love it. I like that. You know what you want to do though, Caden? You want to do. Are you familiar? Are you pretty handy at Photoshop? Because I am. And I could do something for you if you want. Are you handy on Photoshop? I think I might do something for you. See that look there? I like that. I like it. But what I want to do is I want to put a spotlight on your head. I want to highlight you. Not flare out the background, but I want to spot what's called a spotlight effect. I want to put a spotlight effect on you and bring you out of the picture a little bit. What the H is going on with Tilray? Should we have a quick look? There's Caden Youngquist. We're going to promote him this week. We're going to make him member of the week because I didn't put that in the newsletter, but I still got him subscribers though, so we can't say too much. Hey, what's going on with Tilray? I could do something to make it better on my thumbnails. Okay, if you could do it, I would recommend, because on the analytics, one of the most important things is why I always use a face. Always use a face expression. People want to see the person behind the channel. Bring up your face. Don't make it like a, See, I'm all well lit now. Very, very important. Bring your face forward so people can see who you are. It brings trust and integrity into it. It's a great picture, but just bring a little spotlight on yourself. You can do that. Right. Tilray. What's going on with Tilray? Can someone tell me? I don't know. I think it's just the same as Virgin Galactic. No news is good news. I'm new. I will. I'm new. Sylvia Azzaro. I didn't realise Sylvia Azzaro is a guest. I thought I recognised the name. Sylvia Azzaro has just come into the show. I think we should give Sylvia Azoro a nice day trader welcome. Most engaging channel on YouTube. See, nearly every single person's a badge owner, is a member. They get all the perks and benefits. We are the most engaging channel on YouTube. That's official. If you go and check out my analytics, more people that watch are members than any other channel on YouTube. And there's a reason for that. Welcome to my Day Trader Studio. This is where we do all the music, raise money for our events and do songs during the show. Let me give you a wave. How you doing? So if you want a song during the show, you can have it. You can have it. All right. I appreciate the member of the week too. Means a lot. Yep, you've got it. Caden, you've got it. Would everybody please welcome Sylvia? There you go. Put your cities and countries in. Let everyone know where you're from. I'm from Dallas, Texas, even though I'm clearly from the UK. Cornwall in the United Kingdom. But right now I'm in Dallas, Texas, where my studio is. Have you heard from Bubble? No, I haven't. Ladies and gentlemen, royalty in the house. Royalty in the house. One of our 6 gold members has been a gold member from the very beginning. Here he is, never missed, never fail. Our biggest investor has his own channel on Discord for his top tips, and his top tips are worth looking at. I always like to make a big warm welcome to Moose. He's been a gold member since day one. Our top supporter of the show. There we go. Thank you very much indeed. It won't be long now, and Musanella's badge will turn gold. He's actually yellow right now, but he'll be gold soon because he's been a member for a long time. There we go. Tilray Brand is now coming up. Look at that. Awesome stuff. Be careful with PIXY, up over 100%. PIXY. Let's have a quick look at it. PIXY. I'm not in this one. Shift. Yes, look at that, folks. Provision of capital services revolutionizing employment of the gig economy. Shift Pixie. That's information from Musanella just come in that Shift Pixie is up 100%. 100%. Be careful. Well, can I ask you on that point then, Moose? Thanks for having me. You're very, very welcome. Ask the members why they're all members, and they'll tell you why they're members, Sylvia. And they'll tell you they get 20 times back what they put in. You should be a member, and I'll explain to you in a minute why. Hello Sylvia, Mr. Clockwork. Hello, Power of Beauty, Tampa Bay, Florida. Here comes all the welcomes. Ian Jackson, hello Sylvia. See what I mean? Most friendliest channel in the world. And got a special announcement to make in a minute from a post I've just seen. And we will actually mention it in a moment. Are you playing PAL September 10th? Of course I am. Of course I am. September 10th. Is that what you mean? September? Are you about the FOMC report? Is that what you're talking about, Moose? Oh, today at 9:10. Is that 9:10 Eastern time, which will be 8:10 my time? Just confirm to me the time, and I'll get it up. That's important. We'll cover it. Just confirm to me the time. I'll bring it up. So 8:10 Eastern time. Okay. Okay. Yes, I will. Yes, I've got it on the screen. I'm ready to go. Okay, thank you very much indeed. Right. This is the perfect time. Oh, yeah, that's me. I forgot about that meeting. Right. I've got it ready to go. It's in 15 minutes' time. We'll air it on the show. Yes, we will. Okay. Absolutely. Just a moment now. I'd like to mention this. And I'm glad that someone mentioned it to me this morning as well, which is very nice. We are hearing today that Her Majesty the Queen Elizabeth of England, United Kingdom, is not very well. Of course, now she is at a very senior age, and we can see from the pictures from our hands they're quite bruised. I don't know if you've noticed that. She clearly has been having probably an intravenous drip attached to her hand, and it's very bruised. The Queen is very senior now, and she's getting very frail. Her family were called to Balmoral Castle this morning, and Prince William and Charles and Camilla are en route, and we believe that the Queen's medical staff, the doctors, are very concerned about health. So, we've not heard much of the Queen recently, and we are all well aware that the Queen is now starting to get a bit weaker, and we send all our love and prayers to the family, and of course the Queen herself. We wish her well, and we're all with you, and I'm a very patriotic person of Great Britain, and I love the royal family, and I love the whole thing, and we're sad to hear the news, but there we go. I thought I'd bring that to you. Okay. Now then, we've got a few minutes to go before we bring you the Jerome Powell. I'm listening in. GSAT on my radar after the iPhone announcement. Oh, GSAT, you're back on that again. Back on GSAT. Let me have a look on that. We were out of that for a while. Global Star, I remember this. I remember this one. Let's go through it. I didn't make any money on this one last time, but if I'd stayed in it, would have been all right. I'm not going to enter that again for now. So let me very, very quickly, Sylvia at Azoro, let me give you the membership link, and I will tell you very quickly, just very quickly, about the membership benefits. Obviously, you get a badge, and it grows in time. With benefits grow in time. We also have cash giveaways, prizes. We have we're live every day. It's the members that support the live shows. It's the members that support the live shows. Without the members, I wouldn't be here. I would just be a regular YouTuber making videos. It's the live shows that don't make any money, and it's because of the members. I go live up to 10 hours a day, bringing you breaking news, live trades, real money. This is my real shares, my real positions, all of my money. It's been my journey on YouTube, so you can see exactly what I'm doing. And there are different levels: bronze, silver, gold, and investor, and also bronze, silver, gold, sponsorship, and investor. That's right. So we can promote your business, we grow your business, we promote your YouTube channel. If you're a silver member, you go on the homepage of my YouTube channel. It looks like you're not a YouTuber, so perhaps you wouldn't need that. But we have a 20-minute fundraiser you can have, or a 20-minute gig you can have. As the World Piano Man, I'll do a 20-minute gig for you where you can raise money for charities or celebrate a function that you might want to do, a wedding or a birthday. As a bronze member, the entry level, then you get happy birthday on your birthday for you or any member of the family. You or any member of your family on your birthday, I will go back in the studio here and do a live happy birthday for you. You keep the video. People pay me as a videogram, $500 for that service. You get it for free as a bronze member. You can also call live into the show through Discord, have your say hello to everybody. You can share with your stocks. You can come on via video. You can also see all my investment trades, what I'm doing. You can talk to Moose, our top trader and investor. You can see all his investments on Discord. The perks go on and on and on. You can also have a poll in the chat. If you want to, you can now ask me to review a stock. I will review a stock, make a video on it. I'll even buy shares in it very often, so the stock gets promoted and gets advertised, and very often the stock could go up on the video. We reach more and more people every day, and we're trying to become the best YouTube channel in the world. And it's the members that support the live shows, and many, many perks and benefits We have a cash prize giveaway every single Friday. We give away money. We give away money every month on Twitch. You don't even need to watch me on Twitch. Just subscribe to me using Amazon Prime. It's completely free. And every month I give away the subscription money I get. So there's many, many perks to being a member. All right. Anyway, let's have a quick look. I remember coming here 30 days ago. Say at BTC would still have a big drop. I remember you laughed and you said you were going to buy more BTC. Still laughing. Scrooge McDuck, you've obviously not been here for the last 30 days. Situation has changed. I am fully aware that Bitcoin is going to drop. My strategy has completely changed. I have took my profits from Ethereum months ago and Bitcoin months ago. I am now at an average of 19,000 on Bitcoin. I've only got $242 and I'm buying it when it goes down. Every time it goes down $1,000, I buy it on the way down. So yes, I'm out of it. I know it's going down 100%. I've made loads of videos about it going down and I am buying it on the way down. So, yeah, my position on Bitcoin has changed. But I do know it's going to go up in the future. I'm just waiting for the best entry point for it. Anyway. Got to renew my premium. I hate ads. We haven't even run an ad yet. Talking about ads, it is time to run a quick ad. There you go. I'll see you back in 10 seconds. Yeah, renew your premium, then you don't have to have ads, all right? I still get paid, by the way, so you don't get out of it. All right, see you back in 10 seconds. Here we go. All right, I am back. Nicky Boy Gaming, good afternoon, people. How are you? I've got a little surprise for Nicky Boy Gaming. First of all, Nicky Boy Gaming, our biggest investor here in the channel, is here today. By a long way, our biggest investor, Muzanella. This is Muzanella. He's given a top tip today that Apple are partnering with GSAT. Here he is. This is Muz. Muz has been a gold member since the very, very beginning. And I'd like to introduce Muz to Nicky Boy Gaming, who just became a gold member a few days ago. Muzanella has been a member for nearly a year. It'll be a year in December. Okay, and his badge will turn gold in December, I believe. That's right. Anyway, so there you go. So Muz, meet Nicky Boy Gaming. And Nicky Boy Gaming, I've got a surprise for you. Today, I want to do something for you. I'm currently in Thailand on my return home next week. I'll become a member. Thanks for all. Very welcome in Thailand. I've been to Thailand, all over Thailand, doing cruising with Windstar Cruises, and Thailand is a wonderful country, and I hope you have a nice time there. Hello to everybody, all your family, and 7 more minutes. I'm on it. I'm on it. I've got my eye on it. If it comes up, I will have it. Anyway, so very, very quickly, I was looking at the macro economy and doing a right Fibonacci, and the situation's the same, and now the masks are falling. The only thing is, Scrooge, where we differ is I don't believe in the charts. I think the charts are an absolute waste of time. That's my humble opinion. I don't... What is wrong with this camera? It really is struggling now. I don't know what my camera is playing up like this. Anyway, yeah, I don't believe in the charts. The charts don't predict anything. They just predict the past. But it's people's sentiments that are printed on the charts. I'd rather understand the people behind the charts before the charts report what the people were going to do that I knew they were going to do. Does that make any sense? All right. I have fully recovered from COVID. Oh, fantastic. That's brilliant. Let's celebrate. Fantastic. Would everyone say yippee, cheer, excellent, wonderful news? Church of Logic has had awful time, a really hard time on the stock market, and he's had COVID, and now he's better. Thanks for everyone for the well wishes. Yes, everyone sent loads of well wishes, so we want to celebrate with some love this morning from the Church of Logic. Nice one, Church. Brilliant stuff. Great stuff. Let's give them the fireworks. There we go. Awesome stuff. Love it. Love it. There we go. Nice one, Church. Congratulations. I'm really chuffed that you're well. Brilliant. Yippee. Yippee. I can't believe I said yippee. Yippee. What the heck? Right. We're waiting for Jerome Powell to speak. If it's aired, I have it here. Talking about losses, have we heard from Rob Brennan? Yes, we have. Ali Isles, I'm afraid these days you're a bit of a part-timer. Rob Brennan comes in quite regularly and you keep missing him. There you go. So, Nicky Boy Gaming, I've got a surprise for you. Are you still here? You need to press the live button and come up to date. I think you're behind the show. At the bottom of the screen, on the bottom left-hand corner, is a live button. If it's grey, you're behind. If it's red, you're up to date. Press it. Make sure that you're up to date. Oh my God, last guy I want to hear today. Who's that? Nice church. Stephen Rose here. Welcome, Stephen. Oh, Powell. Yeah, well, we should have him in a minute. Hopefully, we'll have him on the show in a minute. We'll have him on the show. He's one of my guests, you know what I mean? Anyway, I've got the video playing, so hopefully we'll listen in. Morning, everyone. Glad you recovered, church. 3 minutes to go. I don't have any feed coming through yet. So, Nicky Boy, yes, Nicky Boy Gaming, got a surprise for you today. I noticed that you are on Discord, which is great, and you are talking about your channel, which is great. Now, as a gold member, I'd like to do something for you special, Nicky Boy Gaming. I'm going to give you your very own channel on Discord. I'm going to give you your very own channel on Discord, and in there you can share all of your information. It'll be your very own channel. I'll call it Nicky Boy Gaming channel, and it's your own channel on Discord. And that way, the general chit chat is for general chit chat, not focusing on one particular subject. It's everybody just chatting. If you want to promote your channel, which you are very welcome to do, and I encourage you to do, and other members of the channel would love to support you, then we can offer you that. But I'm going to give you your very own channel, so you can promote it on there, and people can follow that channel if they want to, and then you can go mental on it. You can put links and pictures, and you can stream live to it if you want, and it's a way for me to help you grow your channel. All right? Okay. I'm going to do that for you in a minute after Jerome Powell has spoken. I'm trying to find it. Do you have the link, Moose? Because it's not showing up in the normal ways. Jerome Powell. Live today. It should be coming up. Hang on a minute. Here we go. Okay, I think we have it now. Is this live? Yes, let's have a little look in here. Let's go over to it now. Here we go.
Side constraints that emerged. So as for the pandemic, it did lead directly to an extraordinary shift in demand away from in-person services and to goods. And that shift, of course, was a major contributor to inflation in goods prices, which was really the main inflation story at the very beginning when inflation broke out suddenly in March of 2021. It's worth remembering that inflation actually declined in the early stage of the pandemic, and then suddenly rose up in March of 21. The pandemic also contributed to constrained supply in a number of important ways, including a large and persistent reduction in the size of the labor force. which contributed to extremely tight labor market conditions and upward pressure on wages. Also, the turmoil in global supply chains was probably caused by, to some extent, by pandemic-related shutdowns, as well as strong demand, and particularly goods demand. I think cars are a good example. So yes, people had money and rates were low and demand for cars was strong, but also the pandemic shifted demand upward for cars because some people wanted to avoid public transportation. That amped up new demand for new and used cars. And also the shortage of semiconductors for cars emerged from pandemic-related demand shifts as well. So, the bottom line for me is that there's really a role for both here, and the two are tangled up in a way that it's really not easy to disentangle.
Those of us who grew up in the 70s, I think that the danger and cost of inflation, can't be exaggerated. In September of 1979, his first testimony, a month after he was confirmed, Paul Volcker made clear he understood the damage that was being caused by inflation and the need to bring it down, even if it required great costs in other economic ways. One of the lessons of that episode was the greater the extent to which inflation slips the leash, the higher the cost and greater economic damage necessary to bring it under control. I worry whether we have the resolve to bring inflation under control today, to face the potential economic costs. I took some comfort from your recent remarks in Jackson Hole, which seemed an attempt to signal that kind of resolve. But I do remain concerned that, the intense political pressure that might be brought to bear to avoid collateral economic damage before the inflation fight is.
If you just tuned in, we're listening to Jerome Powell. We won't be on this all morning. It's 15 minutes before the bell goes. We are trading live. We're just listening in for a minute.
So I think it's worth going back and remembering, and I pointed this out in my remarks 2 weeks ago at Jackson Hole, 10 days ago, that what Paul Volcker did and the Fed did to finally get inflation under control followed several failed attempts to get inflation under control. And what had happened over the course of that long period of the Great Inflation is that the public had really come to think of higher inflation as the norm and to expect it to continue. And that's what made it so hard. The public had really come to get inflation down in that case. So it is very much our view and my view that we need to act now forthrightly, strongly, as we have been doing, and we need to keep at it until the job is done to avoid that. We think we can avoid the kind of very high social costs that Paul Volcker and the Fed had to bring into play in order to get inflation back down and set us up then for a long period of price stability.
Can we smash the like button, guys? What's going on here? I've got double the audience watching. Smash the like button.
A speech that was narrowly focused on inflation, more direct and a lot shorter than a typical Jackson Hole speech. And I thought that what was appropriate was a very, kind of concise and focused message. To your question, the message really was that the Fed has and accepts responsibility for price stability, by which we mean 2% inflation over time. That, again, to your question, the longer inflation remains well above target, the greater the risk that the public does begin to see higher inflation as the norm. And that has the capacity to really raise the costs of getting inflation down. So finally, history cautions strongly against prematurely loosening policy. I can assure you that my colleagues and I are strongly committed to this project, and we will keep at it until the job is done. I can also assure you that we never take into consideration external political considerations.
I will cover Europe
we are accountable
and Bitcoin,
to the public
Scrooge
through
McDuck.
Congress. That's a very fundamental, important aspect of our work. But we do not. We focus solely on the goals that Congress has given us, and that's what we're going to do here.
I think that that's really important because it's clear that we could see, political pressure coming to avoid economic costs when there could be claims from political players that, inflation is back in its box, long before it is. Jim mentioned in his opening remarks that 2 years ago you moved to a new framework, flexible average inflation targeting, and I'm bringing this up now because, again, just reiterating the point about trying to sleep better at night. By many accounts, this move has created some more uncertainty in the market, as you mentioned. And coming at a time when inflation now has increased so markedly, it creates concern that despite your stated resolve, the commitment to price stability has become less strong. Should you consider modifications to this framework to assuage these concerns and better manage short-term expectations?
So the framework, we began the work on the new framework in 2018, and we announced the results in August of 2020. And it really followed 25 years,
15 minutes
basically,
before the bell goes. Smash the
global
like button. We've got a
disinflationary
poll
forces.
running right now. You
And
decide what you want to listen to.
The problem was that monetary policy rates were close to the effective lower bound much too much of the time, much too close, and even during good times. So that meant that central banks were having a hard time all over the world, finding ways to support the economy when it was needed. And that's why central banks, including the Fed, resorted to things like forward guidance and asset purchases. So that's why we did that. But the changes that we made were sort of a very mainstream part of a literature around makeup strategies. But really the point of our framework changes, the point of all of them was to, and we said this very clearly, was to have inflation expectations well anchored at 2%. That the average inflation targeting idea was meant to support having inflation expectations. That is the goal at 2%. And the reason is that we believe that the public's expectations of future inflation will play an important role in the actual path of inflation. So that is kind of the fundamental basis of our framework. And as I just discussed, it is very important that inflation expectations remain anchored. I think the evidence today is that if you look at longer term expectations by households, businesses, and forecasters, and also markets, you'll see that they are pretty well anchored around 2%. Of course, short term expectations are higher because of high current inflation, and also the clock is ticking. As I mentioned, the longer
we will be trading live as the bell goes. Stick with us.
And that the public will start to just naturally incorporate higher inflation into its economic decision making. And our job is to make sure that doesn't happen. And we're committed to doing that job.
It seems to me there's a chance that there's a real risk that the labor market, that the labor shortages persist. Does that create a risk that takes some of the ability to manage?
Just 12 minutes to go before the bell goes. If you could smash the like button, please. Help us out. This is a live show. We're 10 hours a day. We're live, and we survive on our members and our likes. Likes puts the video to more people. Please like the video.
Well, I think you're
Thank
right
you.
that if it does turn out that we are in a world of a persistent labor shortage over time, that'll be a challenging world for companies, and it will certainly create upward pressure on wages and that sort of thing. Today, the labor market demand is very, very strong still in the labor market. We're still printing new payroll job numbers at a high level. Wages are running at elevated levels. And so we think by our policy interventions, what we hope to achieve is a period of growth below trend, which will cause the labor market to get back into better balance. And that will bring wages back down to levels that are more consistent with 2% inflation over time. That's what we're trying to achieve. The shock to labor supply that we got from the pandemic was large and unexpected, and unfortunately persistent. I will say that just in the very last labor market report that we got last Friday, we did see a welcome increase in labor force participation. Nonetheless, still a full percentage point below where it was before the crisis. And I think it's important as a society that we have measures in place to support a strong labor market and high labor force participation. And that goes beyond what we can accomplish with monetary policy.
You've made some contrast to how things are different today. What's different today from the high inflationary period of the late 70s and early 80s? I guess some other distinctions are, I remember as a student in Boston in the early 80s, in the days before the internet. I remember seeing people actually line up at the Fidelity office to see the
just 10 minutes ago before the bell goes. 53% say carry on, so we'll carry on to the bell,
money
and then we'll leave and start trading live.
Dramatically since Milton Friedman first said that inflation's always and everywhere a monetary phenomenon. I'm just wondering, how do you respond when people look to the huge spike in government spending and say, I think you answered this in part in the first question, but that, you know, when they look at the huge spike in spending and say the Fed's printed all this money, so of course we have inflation.
So I too, I graduated from college in 1975, which was close to peak monetarism, and there was quite a focus on monetary aggregates, and I recall it just as you do. So to go to this current situation, so as part of our response to the pandemic, we did resort to large asset purchases to address what were pretty severe disruptions in markets, and then also to support the economy, and our balance sheet expanded dramatically. But remember that our purchases of securities don't actually increase the quantity of government obligations held by the public. They really change the mix because we issue bank reserves to pay for those securities. So we're not changing, you know, the quantity of obligations. That is not to say that money growth wasn't high. It was, of course, extraordinarily high in 2020, and then slowed down in 21, and now is quite sluggish. And I guess I would just say it this way: whatever caused, you know, there are different theories on what caused the inflation that so suddenly jumped up out of the ground in March of 2021. Whatever that cause was, the relationship between the money supply and inflation, economic output, has been much more unstable than it was in Friedman's day for a very long time. And so literally changes in monetary aggregates have not had a consistent, reliable relationship. They haven't been a good predictor of the economy or of inflation. Now, of course, the economy is ever changing, and that too could change. You know, to where it is important again. But for now, and for really many years now, monetary aggregates don't play an important role in our formulation of policy, and we don't think they're generally a good way to think about policy or about inflation. It's more about demand and supply and things like that. So that's where we would be on that.
That actually calls to mind, you know, at Cato, we do have a strong aversion to a fully discretionary fiat.
Okay, I'm going to end it there now because we're going off piste a little bit now with
frameworks that could policy and a market direction that eliminates some of this discretion.
We're going to end it right there and get back to trading because they're going a little bit off piste now. So thank you very much for that. We'll wrap it up just there. Okay. Back to the main trades now. We've got just 8 minutes or so to go before the bell goes. Welcome back, everybody, and we'll end that poll now. And it's 50-50, and we decided now to end it at that point. Thank you for your input. Isn't it amazing, right? If only you could watch the TV like this, where you could, you know, change the direction of the TV. So we've got just a few minutes to go before the bell goes, right? So here it comes. 1 minute on the clock. I need 30 likes in 1 minute. Are you ready? We're going to be trading live. We've got the lightning round. We've got the live trades. Everybody get ready for an explosive day. The Queen is here. Good morning. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Here we go. 1 minute on the clock. 30 likes. Chicky, 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 pow, pow. Said chicky, 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 pow, pow. Would the real Satoshi stand up? Say, please stand up. Say, please stand up. Will the real Satoshi stand up? Nakamoto. Come on now. 30 likes, 30 likes, 30 likes, 30 likes. Live trading. Live trading. Did you like that? Just put that in there. Live trading here on the Day Trader. All you got to do is smash the like button. You've got your ticket for the show. Chicky, 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 pow, pow. Said chicky, 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 pow, pow. Would the real Satoshi stand up? Say, please stand up. Say, please stand up. Would the real Satoshi please stand up? Nakamoto. There you go. A few seconds to go. Let's get out of this craziness. And did we get 20? We got 23 likes. We're starting to go up now. I think people are running behind a little bit. Make sure you click the like button and make sure you are up to date. We've got 5 minutes before the bell goes. Let's bring everybody up to date. Got a very, very quick commercial break. It's literally 10 seconds. We're going to cover Bitcoin today. Scrooge McDuck, if you become a member of our channel, it's only a couple of bucks a month. You are supporting these live shows. Thank you very much, Leah. Mike, the coffee's arrived. And if you support our channel, many, many perks. We give you back 20 times what you put in. All right, that's ask any of our members. It's why we are the most engaging channel on YouTube. More people are members per viewer on our channel than any other channel. That's why. Ask the members why. Become a member and you can I can do a review a stock for you, celebrate your birthday, cash prize giveaways, the list goes on and on and on and on and on. Anyway, we've got just a couple seconds to go. See you back in 10 seconds from now. Okay, we are back on the show and we're starting to see a slight little rebound at the moment to the stocks. There we go. This is my portfolio this morning, down 1.15, I beg your pardon. Jerome Powell's speech not going down too well today, down $400, but are we getting a slight turn up? We are certainly getting a turn up on Tesla at the moment. Let's have a quick look. Go through our stocks. We have the lightning round, just moments to go. This was given to you this morning by Moose. Photronics. Next Extra Energy, 1.72, up at the moment, but down this morning. Rio Tinto, just heading back down again. Mr. Clockwork says, if you put a month graph from top to bottom in all crashes, but Bitcoin dropped 80 to 86%, we didn't reach yet this percentage, in my opinion. I believe it's going all the way down at least $10,000. It's why I'm out and why I'm buying it back on the rise. Okay, the S&P is falling. We got 3 minutes to go. Right, Nicky Boy Gaming. Nicky Boy Gaming, are you still here? Are you still here, Nicky Boy Gaming? Because I'm doing something for you now. We're getting ready with a few minutes to go. Nicky, let's do that. Can you do a capital N? No, you can't. Nicky Boy Gaming. Okay, Nicky Boy Gaming. Create a channel. It's not a private channel. Yes, it is a private channel. It's for the members only. There you go. Members. Only members can see it. Create a channel. There we go. Right. I've just got time to show you. I've done it. Nicky Boy Gaming. You have your very own channel as a gold member of our channel. You have your very own channel. It's in the YouTube members. You have your own channel. There it is. You can go in there now and post your channel. You can stream live to it. And you can still talk in the other channels, but keep everything on point. The general chit chat is for everyone to have a general chit chat, not to focus on their own channel or their own interests. That's why everyone has their own channel for their own interests. And people that are interested in your channel will go there. They can find it. You can mention it in the chat. Tell everybody you've posted something today. And that way people can go into your channel and have a look for you. But anyway, start filling that up. You can stream to that channel. Whenever you'd like me to add to that channel, I will happily do so. All right, you're very, very welcome. That's a perk of being a member to our channel. All right, okay, 1 minute to go. Let's get ready. Nicking Veterans Pension 4,200. That's from Bill. Wow, thank you so much. Means a lot to me. You're very welcome. You're a member of our channel. You support me. I support you 20 times more. That's how it works. That's how it works. Hope we can help you. As we grow, you will grow. All right. We gain about 30, 40 subscribers a day on YouTube. We gain about 200-300, sometimes 400 a day on TikTok. And everything I do, I do for you. Sounds like a bloody song, doesn't it? Right, here we go. Here we go. 30 seconds to go for the lightning round. Let's get ready to go. If you've just tuned in, smash the like button, get ready for the lightning round. We're going to ring the bell in 20 seconds. Coffee's arrived. It's Brian Adams. Yeah, I can do his voice as well if you want to hear it. Okay, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. The bell has gone. This is now the lightning round. Where are we going to go? Jerome Powell's not going down too well right now. Oh, we are down today. Right. Opportunities to buy this morning. Let's have a look. Global Star is going up 1.94. For Photronics is down 0.52. Who's going to win today? It's like a horse race. Are you ready? Next Extra Energy is down 0.47. I'm still up. I'm not buying any more yet. Rio Tinto is up 0.39. Vanguard S&P is down 0.83. It hasn't gone low enough for me to buy any more just yet. My average is 365. It's now 362. Okay, Virgin Galactic is down 1.83, 603, 604. No, not low enough for me right now. I'm already at 607. Virgin Orbit is down 4% today. I want it to go lower than that before I buy back in. Tesla is down today, down 1%. Still up 19%. I'm not going to buy any more from there. It's now starting to come up. Rivian is up 6.38. Rivian just keeps making me money. So glad to hold that position. Lucid down today, 1%, coming up again. Polestar is down 1.32. I'm not buying any more Polestar. Let's keep our eye on the S&P 500. I'm trying to get more in there, down 1%. I will buy some more. If it goes down a bit more, I will. Arrival is now popping up. It's down 1. It's down 0.93, but trying to nudge back up again. Amazon is down 1.25. I'm still up 3.7. Apple, I'm up 1.43, but it's down today 0.7. Robinhood is down 1.57, not cheap enough yet. McDonald's down 0.39. Excuse me. Coca-Cola is down 0.9 today. That's quite a drop on Coca-Cola, but I'm only down 0.5%, not cheap enough yet. Johnson & Johnson, nearly 3% down now, 0.5% today, not cheap enough yet. Google is down 1.41. I'm down 1.5 at the moment on Google. It's getting interesting. Microsoft is down 0.8 today. We've got Meta, which is down 1% right now. I'm down 5% on Meta. Not buying any more. SoFi is down 1%. I'm down 8%, but it's coming back up now. As we move on to the final furlong now, IonQ is down 1.13. Opportunity there, down nearly 2% on IonQ. I've improved on it though since yesterday. PayPal is down just 1% right now and coming up. We've got Rolls-Royce 91 today and up 0.8. Who is our winner? Who's going to win our race today? Walmart is down 0.15. We've got Target is down 0.7 right now. Tesco is down 5.71. That is a big drop for Tesco. That's a huge drop for Tesco. Let me just check how low that has gone. 1 month, 3 months, 1 year. Tesco now is probably an all-time low. The 52-week low. The 52-week low is 836. We are very close now to a 52-week low. Tesco's could be a buy. Tesco's very, very interesting. That's our biggest opportunity today. Canoe is down 26% now, down 2.58 today. What about On? On is down 1% today. Not enough for me. Tilray Brands 1.5 today, 1.54 and going down. Starting to come up now. And on the line, Ginkgo Bioworks is down 2%. We have Enphase Energy is down 0.89 today. The overall portfolio is down 2%. Bitcoin SV is up 2.43 and Bitcoin is down 1.25 and we have Ethereum down 1.91. And on the line today, it looks like our biggest losers are... what was our winners today? Tilray Brands down 1.55. There was no real winners, just lots of losers today. Pretty Powell is Satoshi, apparently. There we go, says Mr. Clockwork. It started off a red day. We're down nearly 2% now. My biggest losses are coming on the S&P. Because most of my money is there now. Red day so far for Rio wins. Rio Tinto is up 0.44. Yeah, we're going to give the winner to Rio Tinto. There's the lightning round. If you just tuned in this morning, smash the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. We go live 10 hours a day. We're always here for our members. When we get to 100 members, and we are very close, there's going to be exclusive live content for members only, and the members only convention in the UK on the 15th of October. Are you coming to that live event? That's happening on the 15th of October. Are you going to be there? Rio Tinto has a dividend. Yes, it does. Rio Tinto, it's paying me $109, my best ever payout for any dividend stock. And that's going into the bank on September 22. There we go. Looking forward to it. So where are the opportunities this morning? Global Star, Photronics. Photronics is down 7% today. Sorry, 7% overall. How many shares? How many shares did I have to get that? I had at the time, I think 41. Let me have a look at it. 41 shares. There you go. I had 41 shares, $2.67 a share. Very, very good. Love the stock. It makes money. So all good. Yep. Very, very good. I've been buying the dips because commodity prices are dropping. Job report indicates the Fed will definitely raise rates this month. Job report indicates Fed will definitely raise rates this month. You're very welcome, church. Wow, what a morning. Down 2% this morning. Where do we see opportunities? What do we want to oh. Right. Tesco is really going down. It's a supermarket. It pays dividends. And the dividend date is around the corner. Buy 176. Tesco's. Let me have a quick look at Tesco's ex-dividend date. This is the time to buy it, folks. Tesco ex dividend date 2022. Let me just check it a minute. 13th of October. 13th of October. All right. So you need to be in the stock and settled by the 13th of October. So this is the time to get it, and then it'll bounce, and then you can sell it. 4.79. So I've just bought Tesco. I've doubled my position now. Remember, Tesco's is the biggest supermarket. It's like Walmart. People will always need Tesco's. Is that a 5-year low? It bounces all the time. I know this is bad, but this is the time to get it. It's all about the dividends with this stock. Pays a good dividend, 4.79. Twice a year. Payment months are June and November. So there we go. I'm happy to hold that for now. We're watching it. Barron's reports EA stock is the best defense play for recession. There's a top tip from Church of Logic. Share that in the Discord. S&P is rising. Rio Tinto going up. Opportunity there this morning to buy more. Next extra, VU. Here we go. It's not low enough for me to buy any more. Global Star. My next play I'm looking for is VORB. And it's up today again. I want to get back in that stock. Got my dividends from EA today. Very nice. Yay. How much did you get? Very nice. Congratulations. Very nice indeed. Is Tesco dividend. How much per share is Tesco dividend? I want to see how much it is. Dividend calculator. Okay, final June. Tesco dividend per share seven. Is that £7 or $7? Share price. Hang on a minute. Tesco's. Share price. Hang on. $8.23, trying to come up. Looks like number of shares. I've got 352. Right. Dividend distribution in pence. 2,000. $27, £27. So what's that, like $35? No, I'm not sure. Need to work that out. Wonder if I should get in on FCEL at 380. What do you think, Martin? FCEL, show have a quick look. Rivian to produce vans with Mercedes. Let's have a look. Rivian's been doing great. The S&P's coming up now. Rio Tinto's flying up. Look at this. This is an opportunity this morning. Did you take it? Did everyone take these opportunities this morning? They were all over the place. We're nearly green. Rio Tinto's flying up. S&P is flying up. Virgin Galactic. Everything's going up. Let's have a look. Virgin Orbit. That's what I want. Let's have a look. Rivian, Tesla. Rivian up 8.8. Oh, look at it. Rivian has recalls. Everybody has recalls. Ford has recalls. Oh, here we go. Let's get church going. Ford has recalls all the time. Everybody has bloody recalls. Don't worry about that. Tesla's had recalls. Don't value a stock on, oh, it's had a recall. Oh, by the way, I want to say something yesterday. And I said this to Leah, and she went, that's a really good analogy. That's a really good way of explaining it. And I went, thank you very much. Global Star today, huge drop. Look at that. If you want the opportunity to get in with the deal with Apple and Global Star, now is the time to do it. Look at this. Getting a big drop now. What did the Queen do? Queen's given a tip. Rivian to produce vans and Mercedes. Yes. Queen. Let's have a look. Can you send me the link to that? Let's have a little look. Hang on. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Rivian, and Mercedes. Mercedes-Benz, Vans and Rivian, more to partner on. Okay, let's have a little look. Mercedes, Vans and Rivian move to partner on electric van production. Okay. Okay. All right. That was pretty good, that, wasn't it? Did you like that? Alopa Joe, good morning. Damn, had the chance to nipple on space. Yes. Oh, yes, look at space now. I'm up $91. Look at me. I've only invested like 10 grand and I'm up $1. I'm up $91. Look at me. King of the world. Right. Let's do this now. We've got breaking news here. Queen of Self-Braiding just brought me some news. 1 hour 10. 1 hour 10. Rivian. Oh, there she goes. She sent me the link. She's only gone and sent me the link. I wonder if it's better than the one I've got. Because I've got one already. Let's see if it's better than mine. If mine's better than yours, I'm showing mine. What do I reckon with that? Do I reckon that's better? Does it look better on the screen? Mine's better. After all the effort you went to, mine looks better on the screen. So thanks for sending it in, but I'm going to use mine. Appreciate the effort you went to, but I'm not going to use it. Right. So Rivian, we're going to make a little video on Rivian right now. Important breaking news. Good stuff. Rivian. Right. I'm glad I've been holding this. Right, go to production screen. Here we go. Quick sip of coffee. Okay. Now, if you have a stock that you're into and you want me to make a video on it, I can do that for you. If you're a member. So if you want a stock to go up, and you want me to buy shares in the stock, you want me to promote the stock and make the stock go up, because I can do that. Okay. Okay, here we go. That'll do. There you go. Okay, this is Rivian right now, looking very tasty. Okay. Breaking news here on the Day Trader. Rivian Automotive, ticker symbol RIVN. Rivian. I'm very excited about this stock because I got it on the IPO. I traded it all the way up. We got some breaking news to share with you today, why the stock price is going up and continually going up, where I see the stock price going, where it's been, where it's going, my beliefs behind it, why I traded it, and why I'm in it right now. But before I give you all this amazing crystal ball stuff that I know that no one else knows, because it's like magic here on the Day Trader, smash the like button. If you smash the like button, smash it, because I think it's the least you could do when I'm providing you free information here, which is going to make you rich. All right, and then when you've done that, you got to click the subscribe button above my head. See it? There you go. Subscribe it. Done it? Right, Rivian. Why is Rivian up today? Well, this information was brought to us a few moments ago by the Queen of Self-Braiding. Go and check out her channel. She's on my homepage of my channel. I promote all my members. Go and check it below. There you go, Queen. A little bit of a plug for you. This video was made during a live show. Okay, let's have a quick look at Rivian this morning. This is Rivian. Up 9% today. Now then, why is it up? Where's the price going? How much? What's my price target with this? When it first came out, I always said on day one, and you can go back and check my videos, this stock was worth 30 bucks. That was it. That was the price. And it went all the way up to 170 bucks. Everyone traded it like crazy. IPO day, absolutely nuts. Because everyone went, this is brilliant. Rivian have got a truck. And all the Americans got very excited about trucks because they love trucks, especially where I live in Texas. And I said, no one cares about trucks. And I upset everybody. Yes, they do. They love trucks. No, they don't. They love trucks in America. They don't care less about trucks in Europe and China and anywhere else in the world. They couldn't care less. But the deal with Amazon is everything. I had a Rivian van drive down my road the other day, and I made a video on it. You can check that out. If you click up here, take you to the Rivian van video. Go and look at my Rivian van video. Anyway, this is the news why Rivian is popping up today. Rivian have done a deal with Mercedes vans to partner on electric van production. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. This is great. I've got people in the live chat now because this video was made during a live show. You think this production was done by 20 people, but it's not. It's done by just me live in the show all by myself. And here's the comments coming in now. Church of Logic says Mexico has a lot of trucks. I don't care if Mexico has a lot of trucks. Canada does as well. I don't care about Canada either. I care about the world, the global community. That's what we're talking about. America isn't the world. You'd like to think it is, like England used to think we were the world many years ago, but you're not. There's a much bigger world out there, as Elon Musk fully understands, and Ford are kind of catching on. I'm doing this to wind up one of my viewers right now, the Church of Logic. But this is the exciting news right now. Mercedes-Benz and Rivian signed Memorandum of Understanding for strategic partnership and joint production of electric vans with the objective to set the standard in sustainable all-electric transportation. The planned joint venture will produce bespoke large electric vans for Mercedes-Benz and for Rivian. Very exciting news. The companies look to leverage shared investments, shared costs, and will pursue operational synergies to rapidly scale electric van production. Why is this important? Why is this important? The words are in there. In between the lines are all the answers you need. The reason why Tesla is beating the world on EVs, even Ford, sorry church, the reason it is not because it's got a great electric car, which it has, is because it knows how to ramp. It knows how to improve its margins. And that is everything, because anyone can invent an electric car. Well, I can't, you know what I'm saying, but somebody can. But the big deal isn't that at all. The big deal is how do you ramp? And that's where Elon Musk comes in. And that's why Elon Musk has done so well. But now we've got Rivian partnering up with another company trying to improve efficiency. And that is exactly why I'm staying in the stock. Now, I popped in and out, bought the stock, made some money. I've now got a relatively small position, but remember, it's relative to my portfolio. I have 26 shares. It's 1.24% of my portfolio. So not a huge amount, not a massive amount, but nevertheless, still pretty good. At $26 average, I'm never going to lose money on Rivian. And that's what I want. I want my portfolio to be made up of stocks which give me peace of mind, where I'm relaxed, happy, I'm not stressed, I'm not worried. And at the end of the day, this is only one of about 5 or 6 EV companies I have in my portfolio. Rivian was never worth $170, but it was great to make money. It was only ever worth 30 bucks because at the time it hadn't produced nothing. It was only worth 30 bucks. So if you can get a Rivian now at this price, you're probably only ever going to make money. It doesn't pay a dividend, nothing like that. But with this deal with Mercedes, it shows it's going in the right direction, as in it's trying to improve margins and efficiencies, not just be its own its own thing like Ford does and other companies do, because that's never going to work. That's why Tesla has done so well, because it knows how to ramp up. And Mercedes partnering up with Rivian is phenomenal, because their Sprinter vans are phenomenal. Everyone loves a Rivian Sprinter van. Sorry, a Mercedes Sprinter van. And the partnership with Rivian is phenomenal. And Rivian have plenty of money in the bank to sustain their business, because the ramping up period is the most important time. Now, where do I see Rivian going in the future? Well, I'm going to hit my crystal ball right now. But to do that, I do need you to smash the like button. Have you smashed it? I'm going to do my crystal ball now. I'm going to look into my crystal ball, and you can look back on 6 months at this video and go, oh my gosh, he was right. You ready? Okay. Where is the stock going on Rivian? Rivian. I am going to give it a stock price of, I can see Rivian going to $60 a share in the next 12 months. Especially on the back of what's to happen today. So there we go, $60. Come back in a year and see if I was right. And if I was right, you can go, ka-ching, I made some money, so smash the like button. Have you not smashed the like button? Anyway, there you go. I hope you enjoyed that video. This was made during a live show. You wouldn't believe it, right? It's amazing, right? Welcome to our studio, and join us every single day. We go live every day here on The Day Trader. And join us as we go live every day, share with you our real trades, our real positions. On the day we found out great news from Rivian. I'm certainly not selling it. I'm not taking a profit. This is just the beginning. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right, there's my Rivian video. Do you like that? Are you all going to watch it later? You better do. Right, here we go. Here's my Rivian. Okay. That'll do. Okay, Rivian, made, done, dusted. Look at that. You like that? I'd like a round of applause, please, for my performance today. Rivian will dump very hard. Not at this price, it won't. And I don't care. I don't care if it drops. I'm in at 26. It doesn't matter. CSX Union Rail Yard is expected to strike. Ouch. That's not good. Thank you for sharing that news with us. I don't know why I'm saying thanks for sharing the news. It's not good news, is it? Clap, clap, clap. Sam Broad. I'll take that. Shall I have a round of applause? I want a round of applause. Can I have a round of applause? Yeah. Exactly, Mr. Clockwork. Rivian will dump very hard. Not at that price, it won't. If you can get it at $26, it won't. I mean, yeah, if it goes, I'm up 35%. I'll just buy more. If it goes down 35%, I'll buy more. I mean, yeah. I like to, from time to time, talk to my mate Ed. I don't know if Ed's watching right now, but you can learn a lot from my mate Ed. Do you know what I mean? Ed bought Amazon when it first came out. You want to see how chilled out Ed is? Millions of shares of Amazon. Literally. The guy's got loads of money. Right? He bought Amazon when it was cheap. When it was nothing. When it was a few bucks. Does he ever worry when it goes up and down 20%, 30%, 100%? No, he doesn't care less. He doesn't earn a dividend, so he doesn't actually receive a passive income. But he never worries about the stock, and that's it. This is that time for Rivian. Get it, hold it. When it goes down to 29, if it does again, I'll buy more. That's it. The S&P 500's coming up. Nobody really likes those cars. They're forcing it on people. All those EV stocks will drop 60% in 10 years. Nobody really likes those cars. They're forcing it on. Who's forcing what? Church, you've got to call in today because you're winding me up today. You're causing hell up. Let me go over to Nicky Boy Gaming. There we go. Nicky Boy Gaming has put his first post in his channel. There he goes. There he goes. So Nicky Boy Gaming, keep all your channels. You can stream live. Anything you want me to add to your channel, I'll gladly add it. If you want to stream to it, I don't know, do whatever you like. And in the chat, as long as you're a member of our channel, I'll keep promoting you, and that's what I do. And you can tell everybody, hey, in the live chat, I've got some new content, new video. You know, the idea is I want not only want you to get out of debt in 8 months, but I also want you to come back and say, Your TikTok channel's grown, your YouTube channel's grown. All thanks to the day trader. That's what I want. That's what I want to hear. So there you go. Let everyone know you've got new content and then they can go and check it out, right? Virgin Galactic today, 621. 621. Right. 621. 621. I'm excited. I'm excited. Should I be excited? Virgin Galactic news. Have we got any Virgin Galactic news? Virgin Galactic news. Let's have a little look. Institutions. Oh, hang on. Institutions, along with individuals who hold on considerable shares of Virgin Galactic, come under pressure. Global Space Tourism Market Report featuring key players. Blue Origin. Let's have a little look here. Virgin Galactic. Global Space Tourism featuring key players. Let's have a little look. Global tourism is expected to witness growth as a strategy during the forecast 2023. Okay. That looks interesting. Let's have a look at this a minute. Let's have a look at this. Okay. We got some interesting news here coming in for Virgin Galactic. So let's have a quick look. Who's excited about Virgin Galactic? This is what's going to make my portfolio rocket, literally. So if you've just tuned in, can you smash the like button, please? And subscribe to the channel. Let us know you're here. Virgin Galactic. All right, let's talk about this one now. 125. Let's have a little look. Thank you, but I'm also agree with Church of Logic. Electric cars are more harmful than a petrol car. Electric cars, no, they're not. No, they're not. Short term, yes, they are. Long term, no, they're not. Elon Musk is working out how, and he's doing it right now. And if you go to the plant in Austin, Texas, and I plan to go there, by the way, there is a factory at the other end of the factory where they take the batteries from old cars and recycle them and send them straight back into the first stage of the factory. That's happening now in Austin, Texas. I'm going there and I want to make a video on it and report it to you guys, especially Church of Logic, who annoys me by coming on saying it's all rubbish. And I want to show you it ain't rubbish. Here's the batteries coming out of here, going back in the other end. Recycle the batteries. Once that happens, then the environmental impact comes down. It's the same as people saying, do you remember Donald Trump said, wind turbines is really bad for the environment. There's loads of birds that have flown into them. And underneath wind turbines, there's like carnage. There's birds everywhere. All over England, there are wind turbines. I've been all over England and seen millions of wind turbines, and I've walked all underneath them. I like to walk underneath them because the noise, it's really cool. And I've never yet seen a dead bird lying underneath a wind turbine. I'm not sure. I'm not saying it doesn't happen, but Donald Trump saying it's carnage underneath wind turbines and there's a pile of dead birds is rubbish. Okay, so there's lots of misinformation around it all. Anyway, they also have reports on failure in large rainstorms. Okay. All right. Okay. So on that point, talking about all this stuff with electric cars, someone said to me the other day, and I thought this was funny. Someone said to me the other day, I don't think we went to the moon. Back in 1969, we flew up and landed on the moon. In 2022, 2 rockets broke down. How come 2 rockets can't get off the landing pad in 2022 when we had no problem back in 1969? I would like to put to you this comment. And the comment is this, quite simply. 100 years ago, we were driving around in Model T Fords. Remember those? Driving around. Hang on a minute. There are cars today breaking down. I don't believe we were driving around 100 years ago in Model T Fords. My mate's car down the road, he's got an Austin Allegro. It broke down yesterday. He's got a Ford Fiesta. It broke down yesterday. Couldn't get out of his garage. But 100 years ago, they were driving their cars around. That is how ridiculous that comment is. And the other thing to consider is 1969, when they took off a rocket, it was a lot more simple, a lot more basic technology, and there was men driving it. The spaceship that was supposed to take off in Florida a few days ago, there's nobody on board other than Snoopy. Snoopy, a soft toy, was on board. Snoopy was on board the rocket. So we've now got a much more sophisticated rocket. So things break. That doesn't mean to say we didn't have anybody take off in 1969. Like the Model T Ford didn't not exist because your Ford Fiesta broke yesterday. Anyway, I thought I'd throw that into the mix. The more you recycle batteries, the less efficient they are over time. That is correct, but that's improving all the time. People forced to talk about them. LOL, come on, Logic. LOL, come on, Logic. EV vehicles will dump in 5 to 10 years once the reality of the harm they do make them hits home with the greens. I don't know. Modern technology nowadays. 12 HP Model T. LOL, my Range Rover tyre light is on every other week. Yes, there you go. Mason Kirk, his Range Rover's got a light flashing on. That never happened to my Ford Model T Ford 100 years ago, did it? I don't know if Model T Fords were really driving around, 100 years ago, because my Range Rover I paid $100 million for doesn't work today. Get a mobility scooter, won't go parking fine or a speeding fine. There's your answer to everything. There you go. Over 70% of households do not have $15,000 to install these damn chargers in their house. The energy costs are well not... Hang on a minute, church. Hang on a minute. Over 70% of households do not have $15,000 to install these damn chargers. Hang on a minute, church. That's not right. I am that old. I am that old. I was around Model T Ford. Yeah, I am that old. Hang on a minute. Hang on a minute. You can plug a Tesla into a regular AC outlet. You do not need a supercharger. You do not. My house in England runs on solar for free. I have no electric bill. Free. Runs for free. I can plug an electric car in for free into the AC outlet. Now you might go, yeah, but it's a slow charge. Yes, it is a slow charge. But if you plug it in every night, you're only topping it up. So it doesn't matter. I can top up a car overnight with enough power to drive around doing what I'm doing during the day. You do not have to spend $15,000. It's free. You do not have to do that. Charging cable plugs into your home socket. Yes, it does. It was $250 to install by an electrician for my neighbours. Will be cheaper and charge less in time. 8 volts, sure. Charging your car. Church, it ain't $15,000. What you on about? Church, that's just wrong, mate. You clearly are angry over... He's angry. He's angry. Church of Logic, call in. Right, this is getting on my nerves now because I'm not making a video. He's doing it on purpose. He doesn't want me to make a... 1 hour 32. He doesn't want me to make an SPCE video, which I don't understand because if he had stocks in it, he'd love it. Right, so who's got Virgin Galactic? Who wants Virgin Galactic to go up right now? Anybody? If you want Virgin Galactic to go up, smash the like button. You ready? We're going to make some money. We're going to make some money. I'm going to put out a video. Here we go. You ready? Okay, here we go. 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 I'm not waiting. I'm not driving to the Mall and sit for 2 hours. You don't need to. Don't need to. Right, here we go. Breaking news here on the Day Trader. Virgin Galactic, one of the biggest parts of my portfolio. More great news today. More great news today from Virgin Galactic. I've been lowering my averages. Now I'm going to tell you where the share price is going. I'm going to give you my overall stock prediction for that. And I'm going to look into my crystal ball. I have one, especially for you on today's show. I'm going to give you the breaking news, but I'm not going to give you any of that unless you smash the like button. If you smashed it. Have you smashed it? Because if you smash it, the share price goes up. And the sheer fact that I rank number one in the world on YouTube, by the way, and I make this video, makes the stock price go up. But do I pump and dump it? No, I just keep buying more. People keep saying to me, you pump and dump. I never pump and dump. I promote a stock I believe in. I keep buying more and I keep accumulating. Right, have you done that? So have you smashed the subscribe button? There it is. Done it? Okay, brilliant, fantastic. And if you click up here, you'll see all my Virgin Galactic videos. All right, okay. So what's going on with Virgin Galactic today? I don't know. I'm just making it up. It's clickbait. No, it's not. I've got real news for you. This is Virgin Galactic today. This is my position. Let me go over and show you what I've got. I've been adding to my position. I've got $6.07 now is my average. I'm up 2.48, up 220, 230 bucks right now. Why is it going up today? Well, no reason. Yes, there's reason. Of course, there's reason. Would I get you to click on this video for no reason? Well, I might do a little bit, but I mean, you know, no. I've got some news for you. I've got some news. Global space tourism, a market report 2022. Blue Origin, no competition. Why? Because it's millions of dollars. Virgin Galactic, yeah, we love that one. SpaceX, it's not a space tourism company. This is false reporting. False reporting. Space tourism will not come with SpaceX. Virgin, Blue Origin, yes, but it's too expensive, and you have to have a special training. SpaceX, the same thing. You need special training. At the end of the day, too expensive. You need Virgin Galactic. Why? It's not about space tourism. The people who write these headlines don't know what they're talking about. It's to do with experiences. I know. I've worked indirectly for Richard Branson, Sir Richard Branson, on the experiences, and I know what this is about. It's about Virgin. It's about flying in with the Virgin Galactic airline. It's staying at the Virgin hotels, at the spaceport. It's about your whole family getting involved in the space missions. Anyway, I digress. You've heard all this before, right? This is old news. What is new news is this here today. So let's have a quick look. Global space tourism market is expected to witness growth at a steady CAGR during the forecast period 23 to 27. Remember, long-term invested. This is not a 5-minute thing. And I'm going to give you my price in a minute. Have you smashed the like button? Is the stock price going up while I'm making this video? Have you smashed it? Have you done that? I'm going to look at my crystal ball for you in a minute once I have a quick look on Virgin Galactic. There it is. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Doesn't that look good? Someone said the other day, I don't see what's so exciting about looking down at the planet. That was Church of Logic. He's in the chat right now. If you want to be on the video, anybody, put your comment on the screen. You'll be on the video. You'll be famous. If you want to promote your channel, go ahead. This is always made during live shows. The practice of taking tourists into space for leisure or professional purposes, that's the point, the professional purposes, to give them the chance to experience life as an astronaut is included in space tourism services. Space tourism comes in a variety of forms, including orbital, suborbital, and lunar tourism. Since space travel is now deemed pricey, only those with considerable spending power can afford it. One thing you don't understand is the other two, which is SpaceX and Blue Origin, are in the millions. Virgin Galactic is $500,400,000, which sounds a lot, but it isn't. There are millions and millions of customers with that sort of money looking for an extreme day out, and it is an extreme day out. The global space tourism market is segmented into type, product, type, destination, consumer service provider, regional distribution, and company. Again, there's more to this. There's the whole experience. And as I'm talking, did you smash the like button? Because look, I got more news. The stock just keeps on going up today when the markets are pretty flat. Not a great deal going on. My stocks keep going up. Why? Because I'm making a live video as I'm doing it. That's why. Brilliant. Shall I look into my crystal ball? I promised you that if I looked into my crystal ball, I would give you the price of the stock, right? Okay, so I'm going to do it right now. I only think it's right. I did promise you that if you stuck to the middle of this video, because I haven't yet given you the best news, right? I said to you that I would get my crystal ball out. Well, where's my crystal ball? Yeah, here it is. Here's my crystal ball. I'm going to look into my crystal ball now. My magical crystal ball. All right, where do I see Virgin Galactic going? Well, I know 100%. and you can come on and laugh at me on this video when I get it wrong. I believe that Virgin Galactic will go to $100 as soon as it flies. Yep. And you might go, hang on a minute, that's absolutely ridiculous. That makes it more valuable than Google. This is not the value. This is the price. It's already done $70 a share. We saw it on test flights. We know the interest is there. And Richard Branson is the key. He's a marketing expert. And when this stock flies, it'll go to $100 a share. Now, if I'm completely wrong, and I get it wrong sometimes, not very often, right? If I get it wrong, and it only goes up to $60, which is less than it went to on its last test flight, I'm up 10x. My $10,000 will turn into $100,000. What is my strategy? How will I make money from that? All right, well, I'll tell you right now if you smash the like button. Oh, hang on a minute. Someone just asked me, will I personally fly up there? Nope, it was meant to be on Earth. I was meant to be on Earth. I will certainly fly up there. My name is already on the list. It is on the list. So, how will I make my money and what is my strategy for Virgin Galactic? Well, quite simple as this. What I will do is this. When the stock goes to $60 on the way to 100, which it will, 100%, what will I do then? I will take out my $10,000 that I initially invested. Brilliant. I shall put back into my stock. I will sell 10 grand's worth of Virgin Galactic. Remember, I've got 100 grand right now, so I've got 100 grand to play with. I'll sell 10,000, put my 100 grand in, my 10 grand back in my bank. I will then go, do you know what? 100% profit is pretty good, right? I'll take another 10 grand. So now I've got 80 grand's worth of Virgin Galactic. So I've got my 10 grand back that I put in. I've got 10 grand profit, which is 100% profit. I regard that as pretty good. I'll leave the other 80 grand in the stock, and it can go up and down, and I couldn't care less. If it goes down, I'll buy more with the 10 grand profit I made. If it goes up, whoop-de-doo. Fantastic. So will I ever see $100? Might do, might not. Doesn't really matter. It doesn't matter to me one tiny bit. So there you go. That's the breaking news today. That's what everyone's talking about. And here is the information on the stock. The stock price, people do not understand the stock price just the same as they do not understand the stock price on Enphase Energy. And let me show you a comparison. This is very, very important. Very, very important. Everybody's behind the times when it comes to innovative technology. And I was one of the first adopters to get Enphase Energy, to get solar on my house in the UK, and my house runs for free. And everyone keeps talking down this stock. Enphase Energy has one of the best balance sheets on the stock market. It continually goes up. It's now up, look at it, it's up 31,000%. People keep going, this is the S-curve, now dump it. It hasn't even started. This is exactly the same as Enphase Energy. People aren't adopting this stock yet, as they should. It's exactly the same as Virgin Galactic. I got in this stock and I made money. I made 60% profit. I got out. I got straight back in again yesterday, and in one day, I'm up 10% again. It doesn't provide a dividend, but people think, wow, this curve is at the top of its curve. They're basing that on old principles. Virgin Galactic, the same. Hang on a minute. It's like Concorde. I get that comment all the time. It's a rich man's toy. It's going to go bust, and no one's going to fly on it. It's completely different than Concorde. Its whole structure is completely different. And when you say an argument I get a lot is people say to me that we're now living in a world where there's recession and inflation and people have got no money, blah, blah, blah. The reality is more millionaires and billionaires are created in wartime than any other time. There are plenty of millionaires. The rich get richer, the poor get poorer. That's a sad fact, but that is just the simple fact. The fact of the matter is there'll always be people ready to go and fly with Virgin Galactic. And when they do, there'll be spaceports all over the world, not just in New Mexico as there is now. And I know because I'm going to the spaceport in the UK for Virgin Orbit on the 15th of October. If you want to be part of that, look below and you can be there with me. I've got some breaking comments here. Let's have a look right now. Let's have a look. during this making of this video. I want space to go down. I want to buy more space at $5 a share. I want more shares. May happen, may not. I don't know. It's cheap at 6. I bought it at 35 once upon a time. I bought it at 35. Space just broke $6.30. Got to have some of the shares. There you go. 6:30. I've been buying GEVO. There we go. There was our comments coming in today. So, have you smashed the like button? Did you make it to the end of this video? If you did, and you want to be in a cash prize draw, I told you there'd be something good if you waited to the end. Click up here. I'll be live tomorrow to do a cash prize draw. I do it every Friday. I give away the money I make on the show. There you go. I've rewarded you for watching to the end. Anyway, we're getting ready for Virgin Galactic. Here's the flight, ready to rocket, ready to take off. Are you in it? Are you holding it? Yep. If it goes down, do I sell? Nope. What do? I buy more. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right, let's do a quick thumbnail. All right, Virgin Galactic. There we go. Let's get back into the trades. Who's with me? Shad, hope it went good at the hospital yesterday. Shad, thank you for asking. Thank you for asking. Everybody asked. It's wonderful. Leah is absolutely fine. She had to have a checkup every 5 years, and she's all well. She was worried and stressed, and she really appreciated everyone's thoughts and comments, so thank you for that. And all good news. All good news. Right, let me read the comments coming in while I was making that video. To recycle lithium, I take it to scrap yards. Is that what you do? You recycle lithium at scrap yards. Good stuff. Sounds like, what's his name? What are those called? What the hell are they called? Can't remember their bloody name now. Steptoe and Son. Ooh, down the scrapyard. Ooh, Harold. Ooh. That's a terrible impression, but you knew what I was doing. All right, I need to bring everybody up to date because we've got Day Trader of the Day. We got cash prize giveaway in the morning. Who's going to be part of that? All right, you ready? We need to run an ad. No one's given me a super chat. No one's donated memberships. I'm making no money here. Remember, it's 1 cent per hour per person I earn. You ready? Let me do an ad. You bad, terrible, you bad people. Right, here we go. Let's do it. Let's do an ad. See you back in 10 seconds. And I'm back. What about Arrival? Let's do it. Morning, buddy. Yes. Keep an eye on ARDX. Huge, after huge sell-off. Fusion, thank you very much indeed for that information. ARDX, thank you very much indeed. It will go below 5. It will go below 5 and I will wait. I will miss the other opportunities out there. No worries. Hope all is well. Was away for some time. Glad she is doing well. Yes. Steptoe and Son. There it is. Harold. Yeah, give me the money for it to take it to the scrapyard. There you go. Brilliant. Marvellous. Let's have a quick look here a minute. I got all the comments. Has everybody liked? What's going on Discord? Does anybody want to call in on Discord? Let me open up the broadcast lounge. The broadcast lounge is now open. If you are a member on YouTube, you can call in. Here we go. Broadcast lounge is open. If you want to call in, you can be live on the show. You can be live on the show and you can be a rock star. Want to be a rock star? Please say about Arrival. Yes, let's talk about Arrival. Shall we make a video on it? You are a member. Stay a member and I can make videos like this for you. Arrival. Okay, let's talk about Arrival, shall we? Arrival news. Let's do some Arrival news. And share my thoughts on that. Arrival news. It's a bit worrying, if I'm honest. It's a bit worrying. Let's have a look. Okay. Okay, let's do some Arrival news. Okay. Arrival could go bankrupt. Yes, indeed, it could. And I think it's worth bringing it all into focus so everybody who's got their shares and invested in this are fully aware of where we are with Arrival. Okay, let's have a look at it. 1 hour 49. 1 hour 49. ARVL. Okay, Arrival could go bankrupt. Let's have a look. Now, share your thoughts on Arrival. I'll tell you what, we'll do a poll as well. We'll do a poll, and then we can share that poll in this video. Will Arrival go bankrupt? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. Okay, will Arrival go bankrupt? And I'm going to put this in the video. I'm going to make a video now for Arrival. We'll put out later, giving everyone the chance to do a poll, vote on it, and you will be in the video. Okay, so I'm going to give you the chance to do that. Okay. Arrival needs to change its name to Departure. All right, okay. Let's talk about Arrival very quickly then. And I want to get a poll. Okay, we're getting a good poll now. Now, this is very important for the stock. This will go out later. Okay. Breaking news here on the Day Trader. Arrival. This video is being made during a live show, so we're running a poll right now of will Arrival go bankrupt, and we're going to share that with you live. This video is being made during a live show. I've got some information for you, breaking news for you. I've just researched it, and this is my position, the stock price. Let's talk about it. So if you want the stock to go up, smash the like button. If you're a shorter, you won't want to do that. You'll want it to go down. And we're promoting the stock right now because I'm invested in it. But I'm invested in it up to a point. I'm also going to look into my crystal ball and tell you where I think the stock price is going and make a prediction. And this video will promote that, and we'll see what happens to the stock. So if you are in Arrival, smash the like button because you want it to go up. If you're a shorter, you probably want it to go down. Leave your comments below where you think. Now, during this broadcast, we are actually making a live poll right now, and I will bring it to you right now. Here is the poll, and I will share with you our poll right now. Will Arrival go bankrupt? We've got 7 votes just come in. 71% say no, and 29% say yes. We'll update and we'll come back to that. We've just started the poll at the beginning of this video. So what do you think? Will Arrival go bankrupt? Well, let me share my thoughts with you and also look into my crystal ball and also give you the breaking news of the day. So have you smashed a like? Have you? Okay. Have you subscribed? There you go. Done that? All right, here we go. So this is Arrival right now. Now then, Arrival is innovative in a different way than Tesla and other EVs because it's the way it produces the cars. It's trying to do a micro factories that can ramp up quick, that can be constructed quickly, that can make electric commercial vehicles with less parts, quicker and faster, more profitable for those companies. Now we've got UPS involved, we've got BlackRock who are involved, invested with Arrival. We knew there was some drama with one of the investors, the owner, I think the CEO. Thank you very much, Nicky Boy Gaming, who just gave me a £2 super chat during the show. That's now in the video. You've made yourself onto the video. Fantastic. I love that. There we go. So there was a concern about a Russian investor. Well, that's all gone away. That has not been a problem at all. But one of the issues we've got with Arrival is they're running out of money. They're running out of money because the interest rates are going to go up. It's getting more expensive to borrow money. Price constraints. We've got limitations to supply shortages. We've also got now the stock price pretty much collapsed. If we're honest, right now we are well inside a penny stock. At this stage, they may have to reverse split the stock. What is a reverse split? A reverse split is when it's the worst type of split. It's not a forward split, which Tesla just did to keep this price down of the stock so you can options trade. This is a reverse split where they do it to stay in the index because it could be delisted. The trouble is now also they can't raise any more money because they can't devalue the stock anymore. The shareholders wouldn't have it. It would be pointless for the shareholders. And a company does not want to dilute the stock when it's down. They do it when it's up. Right now, that would be suicide, right? So they can't even raise any more money. They have to produce the cars. They have to produce the vans, get them out, make some money, and everything look good. Now then, I've got some information just popped into the show. Stephen Lewandowski just posted, just delayed, maybe cancelled. There we go. Yesterday we learned of problems with the vans that the production has stopped with starving issues. That's not good. But let me look what analysts think, what I think potentially can happen with the stock. This is the breaking news. I said I've got some news for you. I will look into my crystal ball, my magical crystal ball, and I will tell you where the stock price is going. And I'll share with you why I think it's going that way as well. Okay, here we go. Here we go. This is the news about Arrival. Arrival is in a bag of stocks that could 10x. Could 10x. And it will 10x. It will. That's why I own Arrival. If it can get through this next year. If it can hold on and survive this climate right now. So Arrival has been maligned in the financial news media because the automaker has had to delay its production multiple times. However, the company has already achieved a great deal. It has. We know it's done great things, but it needs to hold on. If it can hold on and survive, it will 10x. It's why I'm in the stock. It's why I've not bought any more. And I'll explain why in a second. Among its accomplishments are European Union EU certification for its vans and successful trials of its vans and bus on public roads. As of August the 11th, Arrival reported that it had only a few weeks away from starting production in the UK and still on track to deliver its vehicles to UPS this year and start production in Charlotte in 2023. That's the good news. However, things are a little bit delayed right now. Okay, and they only need the good news to come out, like other stocks we've got right now that are just sitting on the cusp of 10xing. This could be one. Now, what am I doing? What's my price prediction? Why am I not buying any more if I believe in it? Well, the reality is, no matter how good a stock is, it can go bankrupt. This is my position. I only have 500 shares, which is right for my portfolio. It's a right balance. I'm down 13%. If I spent $500, if I bought $500 worth of shares right now, I will be down 6%. I will improve my position tenfold. Tenfold. Should I do it? What's everybody think? Should I buy it right now? What's everybody think? Should I do it live on the show? 105? 108? It's immaterial. What do you think? Should I buy another 500 shares right now on Arrival? Situation is, though, Arrival can go bankrupt. It may not survive. Am I prepared to risk another $500 chasing the stock down? Is it a good time to buy it? Have I got enough money here to achieve my goal? If my 500 10x is, I've got $5,000. That's great. Ion Condor is saying no. Nicky Boy Gaming is saying yes. Should I buy it right now? I could do it in a live show. So I'm going to give a price prediction. I like Nicky Boy Gaming said, nice promotion there, because he knows this is a video I'm making for later. If you do me a super chat during the live show, it'll promote your YouTube channel. Absolutely right. Good idea. Nicky Boy Gaming, smart thinking. So I'm making a live video right now. So I'm going to give my price prediction for those of you that smashed the like button. For those of you that didn't smash the like button and didn't subscribe, you're not going to see my crystal ball. You ready? Okay, here comes my crystal ball. I'm going to look into this stock right now. Here we go. What do I think? Where do I see Arrival going? Well, if Arrival can hold out for the next 6 to 12 months and produce some vans and get some vans on the road, this stock could 10x. $10 a share. No question about it. But will it hold on? The question is, it needs people to buy the stock right now. That's the purpose of this video, if you like. If people buy this stock right now, the stock price will go up, but the danger then is they could raise money and devalue the stock. That is the downside to it. But it's a good thing that a company raised money for the stock. To develop the company. It's not a good thing when a company raises money to pay themselves wages, but I believe this company is committed to doing what they're doing. So I believe that will work out. But I'm now going to show you the result of our poll. And our poll will determine whether I should buy some more Arrival. Are you ready? Okay. If the poll says no, I will buy some Arrival live right now on the show. I will buy some more Arrival. Shall I do it? Let's have a little look. Here we go. We got 14 votes in. Let's have a look. Will Arrival go bankrupt? I'm going to share it with you now. And if it says no, I will buy some more shares of Arrival. Are we ready? Okay, let's go over to it. The poll running live right now with 14 votes. Will Arrival go bankrupt? 79% say no. 79% of you say no. Pretty overwhelming. Well, I said to you I would buy it if the overall poll dictated that it was going up. So, my crystal ball says I need to buy some Arrival. So let's have a go. Let's go. Let's do it live on the show. I've got 500 shares. 500 shares. That'll halve my loss. Stephen Lewandowski is saying no. Well, the deal was done. Review the order. Arrival, 500 shares at 108. There we go. My average is 123. Shall I click buy? Let's see what the comments are on the show right now. Stephen Rowe says it's going to 2 cents. Mr. Clockwork says no. What are your thoughts? Why should I not buy it? Why? Iron Condor is saying no. Why are you saying no? Tell me why. Look, Mum, I'm on YouTube. Look, Mum, I'm on YouTube. Give me a super chat then. Give me a super chat then. Everyone's saying no. I'm holding my finger on the button. Should I buy? It's a scam company. I don't believe so. I don't believe it is. Who needs the voice of reason? Paul B, we're doing a live video now. We're coming to the end of the video. Am I going to buy? Get my finger on the button right now. This is a live video. I've got to finish it because people are watching this thinking, hang on a minute, how long can I wait? Okay, you've only got to wait 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Buy. There we go. I bought the stock. I've now got an average of 116. There you go. I'm honoured to my word. I said I would if the poll dictated. Where's market project? Where's market profit to stop this madness? There you go. The deal has been done. I have bought the stock. My average now is down to 6.75. And as I bought it, the stock price has gone up. there you go. This video is promoting the stock. We're making money. I will now go back over to, for one final time, to my crystal ball. And I will look into my crystal ball deeply now and see, am I going to make money? Is it going to be red? Is it going to be green? My crystal ball is telling me in 6 months from now, I am going to be in the money. Ka-ching. There you go. There you go. There you go. If you enjoyed this video, thank you very much. And smash the like button. And I'll see you back on another live video here on The Day Trader. Make sure you click above me and you get all the links for all the videos and all the live shows. And that's it from me. Thank you very much indeed for being part of today's show. There it is. We did a poll. I said to you I would honor the poll. I said to you I'd buy the shares if the poll went up. And there we go. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right, there we go. Let's give a thumbs up on arrival. There we go. That's arrival. Let's read some of the comments. So that's another video out today. Hope you all watch the video later on. Global Star going down. Photronics. Let's look at my overall portfolio. My overall portfolio is here. I'm up 1.16. Rest in peace. Rest in pieces. I'm resting in pieces. Why, Martin? Why? Why? Well, I believe in this technology. It's a scam company. Who needs the voice of reason? Too many commercials. Too many commercials? What? Too many commercial vehicles? Where's market profit to stop the madness? No, they got a license on both. They got license on both bus and van, and it's still at $1. Why, Martin? Why? Martin just took 500 out in the back garden and set fire to it. What are you using? Jason Campbell. What am I using? What do you mean, what am I using? What am I using? I've got a cup of coffee in my hand. I've got all sorts. What am I using? Nicky Boy Gaming, well done. Exactly. What is he using? He'll be using China. He'll be buying Chinese. I will not. Reverse split coming soon. You know me. I'll be streaming them soon. There you go. Nice one. Okay. So where are we now? I'm up nearly 1% today at 37.6. What am I using to trade? Says Jason. I'm using Robinhood. Where are you based in the world? Would we all please welcome our guest in? We got a new guest just come in. We got Day Trader of the Day coming up in a minute. We got our cash prize giveaway in the morning. Who wants to win some money tomorrow? Oh dear. Does anybody want to look at my arrival? Anybody want to look at it? Anybody want to look? Oops. Arrival's going up. My crystal ball. Arrival with the same as Rolls Royce. 356 to 56 estimated. Oh. 109. What's going on? See, crystal ball always works. See, it's a magic. And Nicky Boy Gaming played it absolutely perfectly. He jumped in on the live. When I make a live video like that, because that video will go out later on, his gaming tag for his channel will be live on the show. Very clever, that. I like that. Very, very clever. Very good way of doing it. Next Extra Energy, up today. Rio Tinto, up today. Vanguard S&P, up today, 0.31. Virgin Galactic, up today, 2.53. I'm up 3.5% now. Looking very good. Virgin Orbit. Let's just quickly look at our crypto. Ethereum is down today. We're waiting for it to go all the way down. Bitcoin is down today. No surprise. Nothing going on. Crypto's lost its way at the moment. The belief has gone. My overall portfolio is jumping. Now at 1.16. We got Day Trader of the Day coming up in a minute as well. Who was our guest this morning? Jason Campbell. Would everybody please welcome Jason Campbell? My name is Martyn Lucas, known as the World Piano Man. This is my TV studio. Let me give you a wave. How are you doing? I do live concerts in this studio, raise money for charities. I support all my members. We're here to grow the best YouTube channel in the world. It's what we're all about. And we're here to help everyone. We give away cash prizes all the time. I give away the money I make in the videos away. I promote everyone's channels. If you're a YouTuber, I'm here to help everyone. I put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel. Literally, this is my YouTube channel right now. I put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel. Here it is. I get you more viewers. I make videos for you. I promote you. I get everyone to watch. We're a community, a family, and most engaging. Here's all my members, look. Right on the homepage of my channel. And, oh, is Moozanella in the show? Is Moose in the show right now? Moozanella, are you in the show? Because I want to do something for my gold member. Moose, is he in the show? It looks like he's in he looks like he's in, but what Moose does, he trades with his clients, and he's not always able to talk, but he keeps it running all the time. Moozanella is like my top supporter. He's a gold member, has been for a year, and he's running with professional clients with me in the background. But Moozanella, if you are here, I want to do something for you. Martin, I don't understand. How can you buy a rival but not buy Jasmy Coin? I don't get it. I know, it's frustrating, isn't it? Why will I not buy Jasmy Coin? Because Jasmy Coin and all the other cryptos, other than Bitcoin and Ethereum, won't be around in 5 years' time. They won't. They'll all be gone and dusted. They'll all be gone. That's why, I mean, you know, I'm not a gambler. I'm an investor. Crazy. It's crazy, I know. It's crazy, I know. What can I say? I like buying things that actually make things, do things, make money. Not just hope they make money because everyone buys it because everybody else is like lemmings over a cliff. I don't want to be a lemming. That's why I do polls and ask everybody what's going on. I always do the opposite. But not today, though. I did what you asked me to do because a rival is a gamble. It's not a gamble. A gamble is picking something with no value whatsoever and hoping for an outcome, right? Crypto, Jasmy Coin has no value other than people buy it. That's it. All right? Jasmy Coin goes up or down because people buy it and sell it. That's it. That's it. It doesn't make any money. It just does what it does. My crystal ball tells me to buy it. Also, Martin, my crystal ball tells me to buy it. You're right. A rival could go bankrupt. A rival could go bankrupt. You're absolutely right. It absolutely could go bankrupt. No doubt about it. And I would lose $1,000. Would $1,000 wipe out my portfolio? No. Would I buy any more? No. It does not make any money, but burns it. It doesn't make any money right now, but it will. What it's doing is innovative. I like to invest in innovative ideas that can make money. They might not be making money right now, but they can make money. Arrival is now at 109. I've got an average now of 116. Ford will destroy Arrival. Arrival completely different than Ford. Completely different company. Do different things. Anyway, day trader of the day. I've got these videos to get out. It's not a meme coin. What's not a meme coin? Ford or Jasmy Coin? Oh my God, what's going on? All right, look, I can see the frustration in Church of Logic. Church of Logic, you can call in. By the way, for those of you who don't know, if you're a member, you can call in. I've got I need to mention, don't I? It's my cash prize giveaway tomorrow. Let me have a look. Let me just end the poll a minute. All right. Let's see if anybody needs the link for the poll. Do you want to be in the cash giveaway tomorrow? Do you need the link to be in the cash giveaway tomorrow. So if you've already got the link, you don't need it. I'm doing this to find out if there's anybody watching the show right now who's thinking, I would like to be in your cash giveaway. If you've already got it, if you already subscribed to the newsletter, you go no. Do you need the link to be in the cash giveaway tomorrow? Yes or no? All right. If you've already got the newsletter, say no. If anyone says yes, I will share the link. Otherwise, there's no point me doing it, right? All right. The Church of Logic. We will invite Martyn to the yacht when Jasmine goes to 0.5. There you go. Can I be in your cash giveaway? If you get the newsletter, you're already in it. We do a cash giveaway every single Friday on the opening bell, and you have to watch the video. Did you get the email on Sunday, last Sunday, Mr. Nicky Boy? Did you watch the video? Did you leave the comment? Did you leave the like? If you did, you are in the giveaway. If you didn't, you're not. Mr. Clockwork, we sure will. Good morning, all. This week has been an excellent opportunity to unlock stock on strength before the Fed rate hike announcement. Here he is, market profit. Excuse me. Virgin Galactic doing well today, up $363. Virgin Orbit. Do you not think the markets know that the interest rate's going up? Everybody knows it is. The markets are 6 months ahead, 6 months forward. The broadcast lounge is open. If anybody wants to call in, you can be just like this. You can be just like Nicky Boy Gaming.
Welcome to the Day Traders. This show is an awesome show. I have been supporting it ever since the lockdown has started in the period. My name is Nicholas Squill. I'm 31. I live in Bristol in UK. I have been supporting this show because he has been really brilliant at what he does. I have to say everything. Please make sure you like, follow, subscribe and share, because the more you support, more better we get. And I hope you have a fantastic time and enjoying yourself watching the show. Take care. Peace.
I have to first say that your show is amazing. Everyone needs to check out Martyn Lucas, the day trader. Amazing guy, very honest, very open, packed with loads of information. Doesn't feed into the baloney that we hear in the markets every day. Oh my gosh, we're going to only go up. We're never going to go down. Again, daily on the show, every morning, every afternoon. I make sure I don't miss a beat.
I'm Kurt Wooker Jr., and I am blessed to have been on the Day Trader. Please subscribe, watch everything. Martyn is being really, really honest with you guys. It's a killer thing. So check him out. You can check me out at CoinGeek.com and GorillaPool.com. It's been a pleasure.
Okay, I was sleeping one day back on August 18th, and I woke up to Martyn singing a song. He advertised that he would do birthdays. My sister's birthday was going to be on that Friday. And he obliged and made a 34-minute video of that birthday party. It was.
Hello, my name is Sam Hughes, and I pretend to be Sir Elton John for a living. Now, if you want music, if you want the stocks, anything like that, this is the place to be. Follow this man. He's beautiful. He is the Rocket Man.
There you go. There's a little bit there. Fantastic. That's some of our traders that are in the channel today. Ginkgo Bioworks doing very well. Mr. Arrival, let's have a look. It's just another money-losing company that will likely disappear in the next few years. Too many money-losing companies out there still fleecing investors. Well, let's hope not. Let's hope not. Global Star going back down. Nicky Boy Gaming, there he goes. Photronics is up today, still down on it. What should I play? Puts on, market profit. What do you think? Next Extra Energy, Rio Tinto going up again today. Vanguard S&P up today, 0.38 and still climbing. My overall portfolio is doing well. Virgin Galactic has been going up today. Virgin Orbit, we're waiting for a dip. Tesla, looking good. I bought some more Arrival today. Rivian. Remember, we're all in different positions. Market profit is in a very different position than most people here. He's got money. He doesn't take risk anymore. It's a completely different ball game. Completely different situation. Amazon up 0.14. Apple DNA, Ginkgo Bioworks. We're getting breaking news here on DNA. Ginkgo Bioworks now is up 5% and climbing. Doing very, very nicely today. I made my profit here, got out, made some profit. I'm out of it right now. Waiting for another opportunity to get in. Looking nice. Tilray brand still down today. ARC and GEOV has lost a lot going on and beat expectations. Gevo has a lot going on and beat expectations. Ion Condor has just shared some information with everybody there. What should I put puts on, says Market Profit. ARC and Tesla with an expiration sometime after the 16th. Quantitative easing should start full runoff by the 15th. There you go. Quantitative easing should start full runoff by the 15th. That's Market Profit. That's his predictions there. Thank you, Market. Always a pleasure to have you on the show. The broadcast lounge is open. We got Day Trader of the Day coming up in a couple of moments' time. How many people are in the show right now? 24. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. Smash the like button. Tightening, quantitative. Tightening, I mean. Quantitative tightening. I thought that was weird because quantitative easing is when they print money. I didn't think the market, the Fed were going to print money, so I just read that without thinking. But thank you for explaining that. Yeah, quantitative tightening, not quantitative easing. Quantitative easing is when they print money, and I know for a fact that the Fed aren't going to be printing money. But anyway, quantitative tightening, the very opposite. Anyway, subscribe, ring the bell if you've just tuned in for the very first time. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know you're here. It's time for Day Trader of the Day. Let's bring everybody up to date. If you hover over the screen and the live at the bottom of the screen in the left corner is not red, you are behind the show. Click it, turn it from grey to red. Grey is behind, live is up to date. Let's have a look. Do you think... do you need the link? Half of you do. Half of you do need the link. Okay. All right, I'll end the poll. Didn't realise there were so many. Every Friday, I do a cash prize giveaway in the opening bell. This time tomorrow, I'm giving away money. I do it every Friday. There's free money on Twitch and there's free money on YouTube. How do you win it? On YouTube, you just watch a video, leave a comment, you're in the draw. On Twitch, you just subscribe to my Twitch channel with your Amazon Prime. It's completely free. It doesn't cost you anything at all. It's free. This is my Amazon Prime. This is my TikTok. Amazon owned Twitch, right? So if you subscribe to my Twitch account using Amazon Prime, every first Friday of the month, we give away the money I make on subscriptions. Here is the Twitch account. Just turn on Amazon Prime Gaming. It's available for anyone around the world. You haven't got to watch me on Amazon. You haven't got to watch me on Twitch. You've just got to subscribe to me for free and then set it to renew every month. And every month you'll be in the draw for free. It gives me a small tip and I give you the money back. Right. How do you get the cash prize every week? Well, you asked for the link, so here it is. We do it every week via a newsletter. We send out a newsletter, a secure newsletter. I never use your emails. It's a secure HTTPS site. Here is the email. When you click on that, you will come up to this page here. You put in your email. Hang on a minute. Let me show you what it looks like. On the All Links button, on the All Links page, this will give you all the links for all my social media. There it is. You put your email in there. That's all you've got to do is put your email in there. And it will send you a verification email. Now, the verification email will go into your junk folder because it mentions the word cash prize draw. That's just the way it is because that's what it is. This is the email you're looking for. If you don't verify the email, you'll never receive the newsletter. It'll always go into your junk. You won't even get it. The email is thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. The email goes out every Sunday with all my top tips. We have sponsors who can sponsor the email and all kinds of things. And I also then give you the video that you have to watch to be in the draw. And the video is in the email. You watch it, you leave a comment, a like, and you will be in the draw every Friday. Okay? Easy, right? Everyone got it? Fantastic. It's completely free to enter, free for all. And every Friday we give a cash prize away. Let's have a look. 95 billion starts on September the 1st, but MBS settlements don't start to mature until the 15th. It's going to be a bloodbath starting then. The Fed will have to have balls of steel to keep it going. Okay, thank you, market. I want to see red, says New Flower Addis Ababa. Why? Because you want to buy more stuff? Fair enough. All right. Okay, it's time for day trader of the day. It's our competition we do every day. Let's have a look at all our stocks. Photronics is going up. Next Extra Energy is going up. Rio Tinto is going up. I'm down 3%, but I'm happy with that because I've got a big dividend to be paid out soon. The S&P is up 0.5% today. I'm up 0.5%. Very nice. Virgin Galactic is up 3% today. Very, very nice indeed. Virgin Orbit trying to get a buy in again. Tesla is up today. Rivian is up 4.99. Lucid's up 1%. Polestar still down. Arrival up 109. I bought it today at what price did I pay today? 108. 108. Amazon, Apple, Robinhood. Come on, market. Ginkgo looking ripped for a gamma squeeze. Ginkgo Bioworks. Let's have a look. Ginkgo looking rip for a gamma squeeze. That stock is so overbought. I'd be taking profits on DNA with anyone in a big position. I have taken my profits on it. I have. I've made profits on Ginkgo Bioworks. I'm currently out of the stock. I only have one. I'm waiting for it to go back down again. Also, Vorb, extremely overbought. Would be smart to trim positions. Yes, I have. I have made profits on Virgin Orbit, waiting to buy it back. Hey, market profit, me and you are spot on. I'm right with you on Ginkgo. I'm right with you with Vorb. There we go. Bank stocks are going to go nuts today. Bank stocks are going nuts today. All right, day trader of the day. I'm up nearly 2% now. It's been a good day. Let's have a look. Here's my portfolio. Oh yes, day trader of the day. I am up on the live position. I am up on the day position. I am up on the week position by 8%. I'm up on the week position. There we go. What about the month? Am I up on the month as well? And no, I'm down 13% on the month. That's okay. We know about that. But we're okay today. So, day trader of the day. Mr. Clockwork, wait. Stop cheating. Oh my gosh, people are just not paying attention today. 1.98%. I'm up 70. We're not doing weeks. We're not doing weeks, church. Not doing weeks. I know you want to celebrate, but you're not. We're doing this is the day trader of the day, not day trader of the week. That's another competition. Maybe we'll start that soon. I don't know. Right, you ready? Here we go. Chiggy, bow, bow. Chiggy, bow, bow. Who's going to beat me? 1.98. I'm up 5.36. You would have to go and spoil my party, right? Steve Lewandowski is up 3.46. 1.56 says Chad. Yes, financials are going very good with these interest rates. The only problem is that they're only facing major delinquencies on auto loans and credit cards. Down 5.49. Looks like the winner so far, Mr. Clockwork. Chiggy, pow, pow. There we go. I'm up 2% now. Getting better, but we're going to give it to Mr. Clockwork. There we go. Would everybody please thumbs up the video? Hang on a minute. Start again. People deserve to get this right. Thank you for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up. Nice one, mate. And also, here come the sound effects. Oh, yeah. There you go. And in the last few seconds, Bon got a new guest coming today. He's not a member. He's not one of our members. He's a guest, though. He's just come on through. What country you're from? Everybody welcome Bon into the show. All just opinions. Says Mike, I am down, dude. Mr. Clockwork. Oh, he's down 5. Hang on. Did I get that wrong? It's Fusion. I got it wrong again. I got it wrong. 3.4. Sorry, I got it wrong. Scrub all of it. Martyn Lucas is talking rubbish. I am down. No. I am down, dude. Up 0.19. He's down. Okay, sad clown horn. He's down. Okay, sad clown horn. All right, we got to do it again. Hi, Bon. Would everybody please welcome our new guest in? Hi, Bon. I love it. You know the show at Bonbons? I love all those. Right, Stephen Lewandowski is up. So there we go. That's what I meant to say. And he missed out. He missed out on the big thank you. Thank you for your honest trade. Give him a thumbs up. There we go. Mr. Stephen Lewandowski, appreciate your dishonest trade. Appreciate your dishonest trade. There we go. Oh, I love it. There we go. Very good market profit. There you go. Looking good. 38,000 now, down 1.7. Stephen is the winner. Yes, he is. And we celebrated him. So, let's meet our new friend. Our new friend is Bon with Messi and Ronaldo on his icon there. If anybody else picked that up. Amazing bit of general knowledge there from me. Oh, yes, that's what I'm talking about. Right, so, Bon. My name is Martyn Lucas, known as the World Piano Man. Here's my TV studio. Let me give you a wave. Hey! And if it's your birthday for you or any member of your family, I will go to the piano live in the show and do a happy birthday song. Yes, I'm the World Piano Man. As long as you are a member. And we have many perks and benefits. You can have a poll in the chat. I make a video to promote the stock that you love. And it will put the stock price up. That's what we do. You can have your own channel on Discord. You can call into Discord. You can be live on the show. All sorts of great stuff if you're a member. We can put you on the homepage of the YouTube channel, blow up your channel. We're here to help everybody. We want to become the best YouTube channel in the world. I'm from Dallas, Texas. That's where my studio is, but I'm actually from the United Kingdom in Cornwall. And we've now come to the end of the show. Would everybody please welcome our guest in? Hi, everyone. There you go. Where are you from? What city and country are you in? So if you want to be a member of our channel, we only need 2 more members. When we get 2 more members, we've got live exclusive content for our members. We go live 10 hours a day, near enough. And the reason why we do that is we are supported by members. It's the members that fund this show. I make videos, but I go live all the time. Brighton! Hey! Brighton! Down on the old pier there, Brighton. I played the Brighton Theatre on the end of the pier with One Night in Vegas, our show from years ago. Lovely to have you here, Bon. Fantastic. Welcome. You can have a live song in the show, $10 super chat. You can hear one of 650 songs, 14 voices in 7 languages. Or become a member and you can have many of these things for free. Oh, yes. There's the invitation to join if you want to be a member. If you like to talk stocks and trades, and you can talk via Discord, I'll give you the Discord. And tomorrow morning, it's our cash prize giveaway. We do it every single Friday. All right, here's the Discord link if you want to be over on Discord. There you go. Okay, give it to everybody. There it is. All right, spot on. That's it. Day trader of the day is done. All the stocks are rising. I'm up 2%. I'm happy. I'm not buying anything though. I'm just holding my position. Arrival. It's been making me money all morning. Oh dear. I doubled my position on Arrival this morning. And I'm up. It's 111 now. There you go. I've got some videos to put out. If you'll look out for those videos, if you've rung the bell and stuff. Shall we see if I got any subscribers today? Shall we see? And then it's time to roll the credits. We're going to roll the credits. Would everybody please welcome Bomb Bomb in? Give your cities and countries. Church of Logic. Ford launches EV for e-Transit. Oh, brilliant. I used to have the Transit. I'd love an electric version. It'd be ace. Charge it for free from my solar panels. For free. Did you hear that, church? For free. Doesn't cost any money. Right. Okay. Let's see if we've got any subscribers. You ready? 4785. We lost one. After all that work. I've gone live. I went like, what, 7 o'clock? 7, 8, 9. Bloody hell. 3 hours I've been live. 3 hours I've been live. Thank you ever so much. My members over there on TikTok who have been setting up the polls, and I just approved it. Sorry, I didn't notice that earlier. 4784. Can't believe we've gone backwards. This happens sometimes, right? Well, we're going to fix that because in a minute I've got a load of videos coming out, and we're going to bombard the airwaves with great entertainment and crystal balls. Okay. Palm Bay, Florida. There you go. You're being welcomed in by the members. Okay. Any requests? This is your opportunity now. If you want to, what's the word I'm looking for? Devon. If anybody wants to do a live request, you can. But it's time to roll the credits. You ready? I need someone to say roll the credits, and I'll roll the credits for you. And we'll be back this afternoon for the closing bell. Cash prize giveaway in the morning. Absolutely awesome. Cash prize giveaway in the morning. Right, it's time to roll the credits. Can someone say roll the credits? That's it. I'm out of here. I'll see you back this afternoon. Make sure you watch my videos. Like and comment and share them. Let's get this channel to become the biggest YouTube channel in the world. Thanks, Mike, for being over there on Twitch. Thanks for subscribing to everything. It's free to subscribe to me on Twitch, and you'll be in our free prize draw. You know all the rules. Let's roll the credits. Here we go. All right, here we go. The moderators. Mike, you slayed the restream bot today. Congratulations to you. You did very, very well. I'm very proud of you. But remember, it is your responsibility. It is your job as a moderator and a member of this channel. You have to work every day by doing these things, so don't get too carried away. We had a super chat today from Nicky Boy Gaming, our only super chat. So for 3 hours, I earned 1 cent an hour per person. And I got a tip from Nicky Boy Gaming. So Nicky Boy Gaming is the star of the show today. Thank you very much, Nicky Boy Gaming. If it wasn't for you, mate, it would have been a disaster. What else did we get today? Who else was the star of the show? Let me have a look. Who else? Who else? We got Plastic Fork. That's a name and a half, isn't it? Plastic Fork. Now, these are our subscribers. It's a quiet day. No new members on YouTube, on Twitch today. No subscribers on TikTok either today. That's a shame. Because if you subscribe to me at the end of this show, I'll make a video for you and promote your channel. No one did that either. What a shame. Link, please. You want the link? The link is here in the profile. All links button. All you got to do is come out of the live feed, or you click the YouTube channel, come into YouTube. The links are right there on the screen. They've been there the last 3 hours. I hope you've not been looking around trying to find them. They're right there on my profile. All links, you need to come out of the live show, or you click the YouTube channel. That's it. That's it. We're done. See you all back this afternoon. Have a lovely afternoon. Arrivals going up. Should I sell some? What do you think? Should I sell some? What's everybody think? I mean, I've got 500. So every cent is $5. Hang on. That's it. Take care of yourselves and each other. We'll continue that later on. Bye-bye for now.